boyfriend cheating on me? If you ask this question, you might suspect that he's cheating on you. Now, I don't want you to check his phone or contact him with a prepaid SIM card to find out whether he wants to cheat with you or not. That's not a good thing to do. But did you know that a recent study by Credit Junkie found that 15% of American women cheat, while 21% of men do the same? The same study revealed that 68% of women and 71% of men would cheat on their partner if they could get away with it and not get caught red-handed. So women are a bit less likely to cheat than men, but it's only a few percent. And I should tell you that if you want to fix infidelity permanently and stop your boyfriend from cheating you, click the link in the description below or the video that pops up here to find out how you can stop him from cheating on you.